Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Flaky Fingers bringing to you piano tutorials. And on this channel, we talk about everything that relates to beginner piano lessons and intermediate piano lesson. My name is Kingsley and I'm your tutor on this page. Okay, so in today's video, we will talk about how to use the right finger positions in playing the major scale. Okay, in the key of C, in the key of D, E, G, and A. Also, if you've not hit the subscribe button, I would like you to hit that button down below this video, hit the like button, and also I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you. Let's get straight into the video.
Okay, you've seen a lot of pianist playing skills. Okay, they are using the right fingering, and that is what is helping them. Okay, so in today's lesson, the first thing we are supposed to know is the right number for the fingers. Okay, the thumb is number 1, second finger is number 2, the middle finger is number 3, the fourth finger is number 4, and then the pinky is number 5. Okay, I'll put the right names of the fingers as pictures on the video so that you can check it out. Okay, so as I already said, and it applies to the left hand: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. That's all. In the key of C, C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, G is 5, A is 6, B is 7, and then C is 1. So using the number system for the thumb. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and when we get to the F, the thumb rolls over. It rolls behind. Rolls behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm doing it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then when you're moving backwards, it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is it. And then with the left, it is 5. It starts with the pinky. It is 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So with the pinky, with the left hand, when you get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is the middle finger that rolls in front, okay, or rolls over. 2, 1. So let's combine both. Then move backwards. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll give you a hint. Download the app called Metronome on Play Store. You get it on Apple and then on Android. Okay, sorry, iOS and Android both. So Metronome, download it. It gives you the beat, okay, tempo that you can practice with. As a beginner, you have to get a tempo. Okay, so I'll play my metronome and I'm setting it at 90 BPM. So that is the metronome playing for you. We'll use the quarter note. Okay, quarter note beat. Quarter note simply means that we are playing each click with one strike on the key. So this way. Okay, that's all. So let's start. Let's go. 1. That's the right hand. Left hand. So now when you are okay, you combine both hands and play together. Let's go. You increase the tempo. So I'm increasing it to 120. That's when you are okay with the 90. You move to 95, you move to 100. Your target is 120. So it's supposed to be something like this. Okay. So when you are still okay with it, move up to maybe 160. So apply it. Apply it in the other keys. The other keys I showed you. So D. So in the key of D, D is your 1, E is your 2, G flat is your 3, G is your 4, A is your 5, B is your 6, D flat is your 7. Then back to 1. So you also apply the same fingering. So 1 in the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The left hand, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So combine it together. The same way, let's go to the key of E. So E is your 1, G flat is your 2, A flat is your 3, A is your 4, B is your 5, D flat is your 6, E flat is your 7, and then E is your 1. So right hand. Sorry. So slowly, both hands. Now let's go to the key of G. So the same fingering. So G is your 1, A is your 2, B is your 3, C is your 4, D is your 1, E is your 6, G flat is your 7, then G. So right hand. Okay. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So combine both hands. Then we go to the key of A. So in the key of A, so A is your 1, B is your 2, D flat is your 3, D is your 4, E is your 5, G flat is your 6, E flat is your 7, then to A. Okay, so it goes this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Combine both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So we are done with all the keys. Okay. So just play the metronome along and play along. Okay. So you can use only the right, master the right, master the left, any way you want to do it. So I'm playing all through. Another part to this fingering, okay, and then I'll cover the black keys and then the key of F and then the key of B, okay, so that you'll be able to play the right way. Okay, so if you enjoy this tutorial, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button and then the like button, and I also like to hear from you in the comment section and then tell me what happened when you practiced. Okay, you can check my part 1 series. Okay.